Well, everyone, what I told you in a past video, well, this the piece that I sell. This is the larger linear guide to belongs to the machine. I sell in the small one. You probably see in my store. Actually, I want to bring the small one to let you know what exactly was setting up. See, okay, this is the one I have in for sale right now. So the reason they use just one is because they put away those two blocks in a very quite separate distance. Why? Because make it more accurate and better. So this just one. So when this guy travel all the way to the end, this will go. These two guys going. You need to calculate to finish the end on both. I mean, the distance between those two has to be equal to when the little one going to the smaller one going to the end of the of the travel. Okay, so this is the one that I put in for sale. This is exactly the same. My little my small metric scale don't let me measure all in one, but I put a mark, and right away I want to tell you the overall length is 930 millimeters. Okay, if you're trying to use an inches, we have 37 inches, 1 inch more than 3 foot. Okay, 37 inches or 930 millimeters. The blocks are a little different. They still be THK, but these guys are SR20W. So for some reason, if you buy both, you have to use the W in the large one, and the other one is a T, because for some reason they are slightly different. Perhaps they are exactly the same. They have two rows of recirculating steel balls, one rest on the side groove and the other one in the top, same to the other side. So it's very nice and accurate. What I said, you can actually use this one for one axis and the other one for the other axis. They use both for just one axis, but was a big table, heavy, and it's not necessarily. If you use these two both guys, you can put it more closer and then set up a very heavy spindle or something, because it's very strong piece. Okay, the dimensions are basically exactly the same to the other one. This is 20 millimeters width, the guide, the reel, by 15 and a half in thickness. The steel balls is same. They have a 42 millimeters in width, both, and I believe the center of the screws to withhold it will be the same. Let's see, I think it's 32 millimeters between centers. And as well, what I said to the other one, I will go ahead and include the screws. Those are tiny fine thread screws with a tiny washer. So this is a nice, very large piece. very large piece. What I said, you can actually use just for one axis and the other one for the other axis. This will be the Y, and the other could be the. And the reason I sell them separate is because, you know, I mean, I notice when when somebody just need one piece because they sometimes already have the other pieces, but that's the way they move, very freely, very accurate, no play, very smooth. And another thing you could able to do, but I mean this is hard to do, I just do one time when I have a large piece like this. I cut it in half. This is very hard steel, but you can cut it with a special tool if you want to make this one like the other one, so that way you maybe have 3 axes. But anyway, if this is great for a gantry when you have a large trouble. And well, the other one, I made a mistake. I say 62, but I write it down to 59.99. And this one is almost double the size of the other one. So this one I have to sell for $84.99, included double. I think it's fair, included double block, and it's almost twice long, almost. But anyway, $84.99, and has to be $15 for shipping, because it's 5.5 pounds of weight unpacked. I have to build a box for. So well, it's gonna be on sale pretty soon. And if you want both, definitely I try to combine shipping to make you save money. But if you want just one or the other, they're gonna be on sale. But this one gonna be on sale pretty soon also. So thank you for watching. I will take some pictures, and once again, 930 millimeters or 37 inches long. The guide, the blocks are what I sell in the, you know, double rows to support. This is what I make more expensive, because many of them they just have in the top, but this one has them both in the top and in the side, the groove, so you can mount in any position you want. So well, thank you for watching. $84.99, and I said $15 for shipping. Thank you, and have a good day.